trick for you. My name is Aliyah Nicole, if you didn't already know. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that we can be friends. Okay? Okay. Now, girl, I know why you're here. You want to get your lashes done? I got you. I got you. So this little trick I'm going to show you is how to turn individual lashes like these into lash extensions like these. So if you're interested, just you already here, might as well keep watching. By the way, disclaimer alert, I am not a professional, okay? I'm not even using professional glue. This look will last you maybe a week or two if you're lucky, you know. But since you know how to do it, you can retouch it up yourself, sis. So the lash glue I'm gonna be using is this iEnvy lash glue from the hair store. It's made specifically for individual lashes, but it's not like super strong. It's not gonna last you through a war and beyond, nothing like that. I say it lasts you a week or so. And these lashes I'm using are from Alliexpress. They're really cute, really wispy, you know, really pretty. It's not that this will be perfect. Let me show you what to do. I'm gonna get a little up close and personal. We gotta get a little close, okay? Y'all see me? Y'all see me seeing you? See me? Okay. So these are what my lashes are looking like beforehand. And I'm just gonna brush them. You wanna make sure your eyelashes are like clean and like nothing's on them. No oils or anything like that. So these are what my lashes are looking like, all brushed out. I like to brush them out like as much as I can because my lashes like to play games, okay? They be getting in your eye and stuff. I don't got time for none of that. So just gonna brush them, make sure your lashes are clean, okay? And then we get to the nitty gritty. So on this plastic that came with my lashes, I'm just gonna put some glue. So you wanna put just like a dab in there. My lash glue is clear. Grab this lash, cause I'm starting with this eye. Grab a mirror, grab a mirror. So what we're gonna do is you got the lash, get you some tweezers on the end, cause you see I get shorter and it gets longer. So go on a clump on the end, and we're gonna pull that out. You see those little clumps in between? Pull out this clump. Boom, pulled out a clump. So this clump is gonna go on the lash. So when you place it, you're gonna put it like right up under there. So we're gonna dip it, just a little dippy dip. Just like that. And we're gonna do that all around the eye. Pull a chunk out. You see, it's coming together slowly but surely, this eye compared to this eye. So when you're laying the lash, you want to put it like underneath, right along where your hair grows in it, right under it. Hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm doing a terrible job at showing me doing it, but I'm trying.
We can make it alright if you want it.
So this is what one eye is looking like. It's the other eye. So I'm gonna come back when this eye is finished and show you guys what they both look like. Okay, so I'm back and this is what the final look is. Super pretty. Let me show y'all what's left of these lashes. I could have used them all, but I was like, this is cool, I'm gonna stop here. I hope this gave you guys some ideas. I hope you're inspired now, and go do your lashes, because it's that easy. Do with any type of lashes you have or want to do them with. And yeah, they come out looking like this. So this is it. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you like them or not. You can subscribe. Hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in my next video.